I saw a comment the other day, a civil one actually, that said my insights into BX and old school play are, yeah, they're great. But the old man yelling at clouds, grumbling about modern games is off putting. Now, look, I'm 58. I spent 20 years on the job. My direct style isn't a persona, it's just how I talk. When you spend 2 decades in law enforcement, you lose the taste for fluff. You get to the point because the point is what matters. But there's a deeper mechanical reason for the grumbling that goes beyond my personality. In the OSR, we aren't just playing old games because of nostalgia or because we're stuck in 1981. We're playing them because the procedural design creates a high stakes, player driven experience that modern heroic systems often strip away. You can't explain why a torch count matters in BX without explaining how the lack of it in modern systems changes the game from a survival crawl to a superhero stroll. If that comes off as angry at the new, so be it. But at the tavern, we just don't yes and everything. We look at the math, the risks, and the rules. If the truth sounds like grumbling, maybe the modern clouds just need a bit of yelling at. Now, I want to address a few things. Point one, the myth of the angry grognard versus procedural reality. The first thing we have to address is that grumbling is often just the sound of a veteran pointing out a structural failure. In modern gaming, there is a push toward narrative flow. The idea is that nothing should stop the story. But in BX, the procedure is the story. When I talk about checking for wandering monsters every 2 turns, I'm not being a stickler for the sake of it. I'm enforcing a clock. Most modern games have largely abandoned the dungeon turn. When you remove the turn, you remove the cost of time. And when time is free, tension dies. My grumbling about modern systems isn't about hating progress. It's about mourning the loss of the tension that makes a victory feel earned. My second point is the survival crawl versus the superhero stroll. And we'll talk about the superhero problem. In modern editions, your character is a hero at level 1. You have a pile of hit points, you have self healing abilities, and a kit that makes you nearly self sufficient. In the tavern, we actually value the commoner's struggle. In BX, you aren't a hero until you survive long enough to become one. The grumbling happens when we see systems that remove the risk of resource management. If you have dark vision as a standard racial trait and create food and water as a low level triviality, you aren't playing a survival game anymore. You're playing a tactical skirmish game with a coat of fantasy paint. To understand why BX is superior for a certain type of play, you have to acknowledge what the modern stuff gets wrong for that certain type of play, and that requires a bit of critique. And my third point, I've talked about this before, player skill versus character sheet. And this is the heart of OSR philosophy, in my opinion. In modern games, when you encounter a trapped chest, you look at your character sheet and you go, oh, what do we got? What is this? Oh, this isn't stealth. What is this? A thievery or just perception or whatever your bonus is? You roll your d20 and your GM tells you what happened. In BX, I want you to tell me where you're standing. I want to know if you're using a 10-foot pole or a hand mirror. I'm grumbling because modern design encourages players to play their sheets, not the room. When I critique the skill challenge era of design, it's because it builds a wall between the player's brain and the dungeon's floor plan. We, uh, the grumblers, those of us shouting at clouds, um, we want a game where the player's ingenuity matters more than a +5 modifier. And of course, the final point, the math of mortality. Let's look at the math. Modern games are balanced for encounter wins. The math assumes the party will win 90% plus of the fights they encounter. BX math assumes the world is indifferent to your survival. The encounter tables aren't balanced, they're randomized based on the environment. If you run into an ogre at level 1, that's not a balanced encounter, it's a life or death decision. So my grumbling about balanced encounters is really a defense of player agency. If the GM balances every fight so you can win, your choices don't actually matter. If the world is dangerous and unfair, then your decision to retreat is the most important thing you'll do all night. So if you're new here and you think I'm just a guy shouting at clouds, stick around. We've got over 230 minions and members here in the tavern who understand that the grumble and the shouting is just the sound of a well-oiled, well-maintained machine being compared to a newer but neglected and rusty one. Check the links below for our affiliate partners. Picking up a PDF through those links keeps the torches lit here at the tavern. Join the membership if you want to support the channel and get access to behind-the-scenes community. We don't need heroic rules to tell heroic stories. We just need a 10-foot pole, a few iron spikes, and the guts to see what's behind the next door. I'm Tenkar. This is the tavern. Drink deep, watch your back. God bless, and I'll see you on the morrow.